Alright folks, this is just a quick video on a 2022 Toyota Corolla SE 2.0 liter engine. So I will be using the K&N filter. That's the model number. And Toyota has now gone back to using the canister style instead of the cartridge. I don't know why, but that's what they're using now. And I am using 016 Mobile 1. In my opinion, is one of the best oils. And as you can see, the oil here is a little bit dark. And some of you are going to say, oh, well, why don't you take it to the dealer? They'll do it over there. The dealer, Toyota, recommends to do it at 10,000 miles. I'm doing it at 6,500. You know, that's my opinion. I feel better about it. The car is driven hard, so I believe the oil should be changed sooner. So really quick, I'm not going to show you how to do it, but I'm going to show you just in case you're trying to do it yourself and you're trying to save some money. Here's the drain plug. Just pull it out into a drain pan. And here is the filter. Really easy to get to. You put your drain pan down here, drain the oil and the filter out, and put it back with your plug, fill up your oil, and easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So you should be able to figure it out from there. I am using 2 jacks for safety and 2 jack stands because I am under the car. So there you go. 2022 Toyota Corolla 2.4 liter engine, and I believe it might be the same for the 1.8. So there you have it.